How to send money on Venmo as friends and family. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can send money on Venmo as friends and family, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to send money on Venmo as friends and family, first of all just make sure that you basically log into your Venmo account. Once you log into your Venmo account, you will see this type of interface where you can simply go to the friends toggle there. Once you go to friends, select the person whom you want to search and then simply search for the friend's name over there. Once you've done that, first of all you can also choose to make your transaction private or public depending upon what is it that you want to do. After you choose to do that, on the next page, finally after entering the amount, you can tap on the pay option to basically send money as friends and family. This way you can send money on Venmo as friends and family. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.